In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send crypto on Coinbase with a required memo or tag, XRP, XLM, EOS. Some cryptocurrencies like XRP, XLM, and EOS use a memo or tag to route your transfer to the correct account inside an exchange. Think of it as an extra address label. If you skip it or put it in the wrong place, the money may not arrive and can be permanently lost. So let's walk through the exact process, slowly and safely. First, check whether the coin you're moving actually needs a memo or tag. Not every asset does, but for coins like XRP, XLM, and EOS, Coinbase will clearly display a notice that says something like Memo Tag Required. If you don't see that note, you likely don't need one. If you do see it, don't proceed until you have that memo or tag ready. Before we move on, if you need Coinbase, you'll find the official app download links and the website link at the very top of the description so you can install it or open it directly and follow along. Next, on Coinbase, open the asset you're receiving and tap or click Receive. This is where Coinbase shows you both the wallet address and the specific memo or tag for that asset. Copy the memo or tag exactly as shown. Don't change capitalization, spacing, or characters. Precision matters here. Now switch to the wallet or exchange you're sending from. In the send flow, look for the dedicated memo, tag, or destination tag field and paste the memo or tag there. Do not paste it into a generic notes or message box. Those sections are not read by the network and won't help route your funds. After that, grab the destination wallet address from Coinbase on the same receive screen. Copy it, return to your sending wallet, and paste it into the recipient or address field. Double check the first and last few characters to make sure it matches exactly. Before you hit send, pause for a final review. Confirm you have the correct asset, the correct destination address, and the correct memo or tag in the proper field. When everything looks perfect, go ahead and send. A couple of quick best practices to keep you safe. Always copy and paste rather than typing by hand. And always check whether the coin you're sending requires a memo or tag before you move any funds. That's it. Follow these steps each time you send XRP, XLM, EOS, or any asset that needs a memo or tag, and you'll avoid the most common mistakes. Thanks for watching.